I am graduated in 2023, but I have backlogs. I know Python and SQL. How can I get a job with backlogs? Please help me. So if you are a skilled person, that backlogs will not going to matter and they will not be hurdle in your job hunt also. So what I want to suggest you, just skill up whatever wherever you are lacking in any point in your languages, then cover it up, because company look only for the skilled person. Okay, your degree will not going to matter, whether you have completed your colleges or not, whether you are having backlogs or not. If you are capable for them and if you are a skilled person, you have completed number of projects, you are able to show everything related to your projects and your work experience, then obviously they will going to hire you. Since these backlogs or any degree cannot make you stop in getting the jobs. So there are number of people who even did not completed their degrees but still working in this IT sector because they are very good, because in their interviews they perform very well, they socialize their work. And if you are working and you are socializing it, then recruiter will always going to consider you first. And in the interviews, if you are able to show yourself, then no one can make you stop from getting the job. I just want to advise you, skill up yourself, make your work socialize. Then in your resume, you can add number of projects which you have performed using the languages you know, have certifications of the languages you know. Then in the meantime, you can go for any internship or any freelance work which you can add into your resume. It will going to add values. Okay, so if you are getting an unpaid internship also, so you can go for it because it is automatically at the end adding value to your resume. So, according to me, degrees, backlogs, and all marks will not going to matter if you are a skilled person. Everyone nowadays looking for a person who is updating himself on the daily basis, and companies are open for them. So do only focus on your skills. Do not think that I am having a backlog. Only think like I am a skilled person. I have completed this much of projects. I can show a company how capable I am and how skilled I am, and obviously you will going to get a job. Okay.